While Artemis 2 attracts mainstream attention, here are some stocks typically not on the average watch list because they're finding their footing while trying to execute their ambitions to zoom to the moon. For example, the little JTAI is a little bet trying to jet as it just underwent a 1-for-200 reverse stock split, reducing its outstanding shares from over 129 million to roughly 646,000. The move is primarily intended to help JTAI maintain compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirements, while also making more shares available for future issuance. A few weeks earlier, JTAI also authorized a $5 million share repurchase program. Then, because $5 million is such a favorite number for JTAI, it's revealed a $5 million investment through a special purpose vehicle that provides economic exposure to SpaceX and its related ecosystem, including XAI, Starlink, and X. This investment aligns with JTAI's pivot toward high-performance computing and AI cloud services. It sees potential upside in SpaceX's broader ambitions, such as reducing space transport costs and enabling space-based data infrastructure. The announcement comes amid widespread speculation that SpaceX may be preparing for a massive initial public offering, potentially valuing the company between $1.75 trillion and $2 trillion, and raising tens of billions of dollars. If realized, such an IPO could become the largest in history, and JTAI's indirect stake could benefit from any associated liquidity event. Rolling along with AI, Cerence expanded its partnership with BYD to deliver next-generation in-car experiences powered by large language models. The collaboration builds on a long-standing relationship and introduces an advanced AI assistant that will debut in upcoming BYD vehicles. The assistant is designed to support natural, multi-step conversations, provide real-time information, and deliver a more intuitive user experience. Powered by Cerence's proprietary platform and automotive-optimized language models, the system aims to function more like a conversational companion than a traditional voice assistant. It also supports multiple languages, enabling localized experiences across global markets. As AI interfaces in vehicles become more important to automakers competing to enhance connectivity and user engagement, Cerence is also expanding beyond automotive applications through a strengthened partnership with Vivoca, focusing on embedded voice AI solutions for industrial environments such as logistics and field services. The joint offering combines Cerence's conversational AI with Vivoca's voice development platform to create systems capable of operating reliably in noisy, fast-paced, and connectivity-constrained settings. These solutions are designed to improve accuracy and efficiency in real-world operations, with potential reductions in errors of up to 70%. The collaboration highlights a broader trend of deploying AI voice interfaces in enterprise and industrial contexts, where usability and performance are critical. In healthcare, Therapeutics, celebrated as the Food and Drug Administration, granted orphan drug designation to its investigational therapy, Riobic, for pediatric malignant gliomas, a rare and aggressive form of brain cancer. The designation provides incentives such as market exclusivity, tax credits, and reduced regulatory fees, supporting further development of the treatment. Riobic is designed to deliver targeted radiation directly to tumors in the central nervous system while minimizing damage to healthy tissue. The designation also covers a broader category than initially requested, including pediatric ependymoma, expanding the therapy's potential applicability. This recognition builds on ongoing clinical progress and highlights the urgent need for more effective treatments in this underserved patient population. Then, in the lab, QSI reported progress in its next-generation proteomics platform, announcing successful sequencing of customer samples using its Proteus prototype system. The results demonstrated significant performance improvements over its existing Platinum Pro platform, including better amino acid coverage, longer read lengths, and higher sequencing output. These findings validate earlier claims about Proteus's capabilities and mark an important step toward commercialization. QSI is now working to scale production and expand access to the system through a pre-launch sample evaluation program, indicating growing customer interest and momentum in advancing protein sequencing technology.